Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
At eto na nga kabisyo ay sinend sa atin sa ating Byahe Textline 0917-851-4329. This one ay mula kay Aki. Ito ang biyahe ng buhay ni Aki. Hi DJ Lala, paano po ba malalaman kung mahal mo pa or hindi na ang girlfriend mo? Hindi ko kasi alam kung mag-stay pa ba ako sa kanya or pipiliin ko munang mapag-isa. Thank you and more power to your show. My love, I have this rule. It's a personal rule, actually. If I start questioning myself kung mahal ko pa ba yung isang tao, then that's the answer for me. Kasi if I do love that person, I wouldn't even ask myself that. Hindi ko tatanungin yung sarili ko. Hindi ko i-get sa second guess. I will not doubt what I feel. Not for a second. But if you have to think about it, then maybe you shouldn't ask yourself anymore. Yun na mismo yung sagot eh. Kasi when you love someone, you don't think. You just feel. Alam mo lang sa sarili mo, sure ka, kumbaga. Secured yung feelings mo. I don't know if there's something going on with you, family-wise, financial-wise, career-wise, or there's someone else. But I know one thing is for sure, na yung moment na question mo yung sarili mo kung mahal mo pa ba yung taong to, is the moment na napatunayan mo sa sarili mong hindi na. Ulitin ko, hindi mo tatanungin yung sarili mo kung mahal mo pa ba yung isang tao. Kung dama mo sa sarili mo na wala ka ng kailangang iba. And it's just so sad for the person na nasa receiving end. Kapag tinanong mo yan sa kanya. Or kapag narinig niya na tinatanong mo yung sarili mo or other people kung paano i-define yung nararamdaman mo kung mahal mo pa ba siya o hindi. I know for a fact na kapag nalaman niya na tinatanong mo yun sa iba, kung paano i-gauge yung feelings mo, that person will be hurt. Not because you betrayed her trust, not because you doubted her, but simply because tatanungin niya na din yung sarili niya. Yung worth niya. Kung kamahal-mahal ba siya, may nagawa ba siyang mali, may nasabi ba siyang hindi maganda? May magagawa pa ba siya to change how you think? To answer that question. To get back what was lost. That's the most painful thing for that person. Yung just because you doubt what you feel for her, she'll start doubting herself. So my love, ganito no, take all the time you need. Pero don't drag the relationship. Huwag mong pag-eksperimentohan. May mga tao kasing nagtatry mag-experiment eh. Para lang i-gauge yung nararamdaman nila or para tignan kung may nararamdaman pa ba sila, gini-gauge nila yung situation by putting their relationship in an experiment. I just hope hindi mo yun gawin sa kanya, mahal ko. I just hope sabihin mo na lang sa kanya na for the time being, I'm so sorry, I have to let you go. Because I wanna be sure. I wanna be sure na kapag tinuloy ko tong relationship na to, tinutuloy ko to for the right reason. Not because I wanna do an experiment to be certain. Not because gusto kong maging sure to the point na ayokong mawala ka while I'm on that process. Kasi that's just wrong for me. That's just hard. Yung tipong itutuloy ko to kasi Ayokong umabot ako dun sa araw na ma-realize ko na mahal pala kita, pero wala ka na. So, para hindi ko masaktan yung sarili ko sa prosesong to, para hindi ako maiwan mag-isa, dyan ka muna. Habang tinatry ko, eksperimentohan tong relationship na to. Para lang sure ako sa nararamdaman ko. I just hope wag mo yun gawin sa kanya. I just hope you cut it. Kung magkakong sugat yan, rip the band-aid off. Sabihin mo sa kanya na, I don't wanna hurt you. But I don't want to lie to you. You deserve a love that's 100% sure. You deserve someone that is sure of you. You deserve someone na hindi half-hearted sa relationship kasi buong-buo kang nagmamahal. This is not about you, this is about me. I'm not sure. Not anything of your doing. Wala kang ginawang mali. Wala kang sinabing mali. Wala kang pinakitang mali. Akin to. Then you think. Kapag naisip mo along the way, nung pinutol mo yung relationship sa kanya na mahal mo pala siya, try again, Aki. Sumubok ka uli. Hingi ka ng chance. Pero pag dumating yung araw nun na yon at sinabi niya sa yung hindi na Aki, okay na ako. It took me some time to forget about you, to move on from you. I don't want to do it to myself again. Accept that, Aki. That's the consequences of our actions. Yun yung balik. Dahil binigyan mo yung sarili mo ng panahon mag-isip, binigyan mo din siya ng panahon para kalimutan ka. Kaya kung hindi ka man niya tanggapin mo yun sa sarili mo ng buong buo. Because sometimes, loving someone means to set them free, even if masasaktan tayo. You cannot have it all, Aki. Wag mo siyang patuloy na saktan. Now you know what to do about it, what to do about your relationship, what you feel. It's just up to you if you are man enough to do it. Claro? Claro.